Hello, what's happening guys? This is the Chris, the climbing investor, scaling walls, stacking assets and chasing that Mustang horsepower. Look, I'm sorry that I've been absent lately. I've not posted a video for quite some time, and to be honest, there's not much happening in the market, so there's not so much to be discussed either. But I've been very busy with the kids, with the work, so I haven't really had that much time. And now it's I'm sitting on my porch. It's summertime here in Sweden, so I'm just enjoying some sun. I love this period when we are approaching midsummer. It will be midsummer in a couple of weeks here, and the sun never sets during midsummer. It's light throughout the day and the night, so you need to have actually dark curtains, because otherwise you will not be able to sleep at all. But that's just Sweden during the summer, and in the winter it's totally the opposite. Then it's dark all the time, so you're lacking energy during that time. But anyways, we're here to speak about the market, and the market is actually just pausing right now. There's not much going on. There's not a lot of volume. The volume has been declining, the interest for crypto has been declining, and Bitcoin and as well as Ethereum has stagnated a little bit and is consolidating in a sideways pattern. And you can also see that the altcoin market has been dropping a little bit and is waiting for which decision is gonna happen for BTC. Will BTC break out to the upside, or will BTC break down, basically? But I will go into the charts and we will look at them a little bit. But from what I can see, Ethereum is actually in a quite strong position, which I like, and it depends a little bit on what's going to happen with the quantitative tightening and quantitative easing from the Fed now. Will they start cutting rates and stop selling assets to start a quantitative easing? And that's what everyone is waiting for, actually. And on the 18th of June, during the FOMC meeting, is the rate decision from the Fed. But let's see, Trump has been pressuring Powell, and all the data that comes out is very good in terms of getting a rate cut. But we will see what's gonna happen. Here we go. Okay, now I'm just gonna go to trading view, and here we go. Great. So we're looking at the ETH to BTC chart, which I like to have a look at, because in my opinion it's ETH has been breaking out in terms of Bitcoin value, and right now it's consolidating, but I do see this breaking out to the upside. Whether it happens now or it happens a bit later, we'll see. If ETH tanks, I think ETH could go down to as low as 2,200, and then we're gonna get a bounce from there. And in that case, this ratio I think will drop down to the 50 SMA, around 0.022. But if BTC breaks out to the upside, this will for sure break out to the upside, and we're gonna go to the next level, which will be at approximately 0.032 of the BTC value, and that's gonna make ETH skyrocket up to 3,000. Well, first level will be 3,000. It will like slice through that like butter, and then it will be 3,300 will be sliced through, and then I think we will consolidate a bit at the $3,700 USD level for ETH. But let's have a look at BTC USD, because that's what it all depends on. And As I shared with you before, we had the bearish divergence on the 4-hour, which has now played out, and it depends whether we're gonna get a bounce from this level or if we drop down further. We could also get a bounce from the 100,000 USD, 100 to 101,000 USD dollar level, but we can also drop down as low as the 92 to 93,000 dollar level and still be bullish. It's just gonna take a bit longer before we move up again to the upside. But things are looking good, and for now we're just consolidating sideways in a sideways pattern. If we go to ETH USD, let's see. We have this cup and handle pattern that at some point will play out, and we can even drop down to between 2000 and 2200 for ETH in USD value and still have a bullish pattern going on. Then it will just be a W breakout. For now, I think I like the cup and handle with a 4th time breakout on the daily. You can see that we have tested the 2700 level 3 times already on the daily, and if we do it the 4th time, I bet we're gonna break through it and it's gonna be an explosive move to the upside. That's what I see happening. We can also go to BTC dominance because that's interesting to have a look at. BTC.D, I think, if I'm not mistaken. Let's see. Yeah, there we go. Okay, here we go. And we are actually right now just deciding whether the dominance is gonna break to the upside again or if we're gonna break down. And the way I look at it is that the dominance will probably break down, because this doesn't look like it's so strong, this move. It looks like it's gonna roll over, but we will wait and see. We have the crypto bubbles, and as you can see, the altcoins have taken a beating recently after a quite some period of moving to the upside, and this is to be expected, you know, when we have a pullback, so alts will pull back even harder. Here we can have a look at the crypto fear and greed index, and we're currently in neutral, which is very good because we don't want to be in greed and we don't want to be in extreme greed for sure. So we want to reset the sentiment, which I believe we are doing. And actually, when we're moving up now, we never entered extreme greed, which is a good thing because I don't see that this current top being the overall top. I think that we have. Okay, so we can actually start by looking at Brett. It's one of my favorite low cap meme coins, and if we look at Brett, it's actually right now sitting on a support. It's holding up actually quite strong, and I believe that this uptrend will continue, and we will soon be at 30, 40, 50 million in market cap is inevitable. And this community is active, it's very nice, it's they're posting all the time on X and promoting Brett, and this is a community takeover, and it's I believe that at some point it's gonna flip the base Brett, just because this is the OG Brett. The contract was created before base Brett, and it's organic, and it's yeah, it has so much upside potential. It's super good. Also want to mention DXY, also one of my favorite microcap meme coins, and they also like posting all the time on X, and they have a lot of nice artwork. It's a community takeover, and it's a beta play to SPX. DXY6900, and also the chart looks incredibly bullish. If I can get to the chart, it has recently gone back from the lows and is now consolidating before another leg up, and I believe that the sky is the limit for this one. I could mention a lot more, but I don't want to make this video too long, and I will actually do a part 2 when I go more in depth to other meme coins that are on my favorite list. But this was a quick market update from me, and I hope you guys have not forgotten about me. And also, I've gotten some emails, so I think I will start partnering up with Mexi, which is a really nice crypto exchange. And you have my other affiliate links in the description, so please, if you want to support the channel, please go ahead and use those links. I will get a very small what is it called, commission for that. And please like and subscribe if you like the channel, and I will continue to post better and better videos. And take care, guys. Cheers. Bye bye.